We back with another one, son. Come on, man. Get out the way. Pick and roll out here. You know what I'm saying? Dame time. You know what I'm saying? Come on. Get on schedule. You're not playing around with these videos, son. I thought I was gone. Come on, man. We're getting right into it. That Buffalo Wild Wings on that. You know what I'm saying? That multiplicative inverse. You know what I'm saying? That con out. You know what I'm saying? That Sears school. You know what I'm saying? Get into this junk. Hey. I have to channel some inner drill sergeant strength right there. You know what I'm saying? Some drill sergeant Carbell type drill sergeant. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, hold on. You got the mushy box with the moisture coming up. Ooh. Come on, y'all see this? Fried pieces. Get right into it. Yo, these giving me brioche vibes, B. I feel like I'm in a taekwondo class with Conor McGregor. What ain't saying on these, bro? I'm trying to get to the meat and potatoes. Beanie pulled this out of his right pocket. His back left sock. Ooh. He's just what? Ooh. It's a little too wet. The box. Somebody slathered these in a bottle of Jergens. You see what I'm saying? That lotion. You know what I'm saying? That lotion for your ocean. You see what I'm saying? That shoulder pop. Sniggity bop. Let's get into ooh, come on this joint. Got a texture. Come on, Neptune. Watching Disney Plus. You know what I'm saying? Lightsaber. Like Jurassic Park block. Somebody took a baseball bat. Boy, I know two things. And one of them is your pancreas about to expire. Yeah, you should have came out that Southern kitchen, you know what I'm saying? That Sun Creek there. This joint almost tastes like it came out of my prison series. You see what I'm saying? We can get one more of these joints because that was we gotta hit a wing piece because that was like the drumstick. That was like the. Can you see me? Because I feel like I'm in a clear box. I always tell y'all, got Bill Clinton off somewhere with a big red button. Boom! They got weapons of mass destruction. Oh, man. It's like this came out of LeVar Ball house. Big ball of wings. Big ball of barbecue sauce. Well, I'm ready to slap Cello and put Mello out on the Knicks, boy. Son, it's a 5 all-day banger. I'm doing a running man in this. Don't play with these drumsticks, son. Lightsaber, Starship Trooper with this. It's a 5 all-day banger.